Showing you how to put the 3-point on the back of your Mahindra. A lot of them are different. Some of them you're never even going to be taking the main part off because they're just a different style than this. And with this style, if you have like a backhoe or something, then you're going to be taking your whole 3-point off. So we'll show you how to hook them back up. So first of all, you just got to make sure that you've got it going the right way. The one way you can tell is that the sway link is going to be in front of the lift link. And then another way is just looking at the bends right here and here. So as you can tell, it'd look kind of goofy if it went like this. It just wouldn't look right. So you can tell it kind of goes like this. You just hook that up there. Put a winch pin in it. Hook your sway link up. And then hook your lift link up. And that's it.